Let's take a look at this absolutely stunning 1969 Z28 Camaro. Red with black stripes. Little surprise under the hood though, we've got a 400 cubic inch LS motor, all aluminum, fuel injected, with a little nitrous on it. Let's pop the hood. Alright, as you can see, it's extremely clean. Panning in there is the fuel solenoid. We decided to go ahead and use hard tubing to the plate under the throttle body. And going around the back here, let me see if I can get you a good view of the nitrous solenoid. It's tucked in nice and tight right there against the firewall. Let me see if I can show you a better view from the driver's side. Car has cold AC. Everything works. 6-speed automatic. Absolutely beautiful car. 300 horsepower tune-up in the plate. There's the nitrous solenoid. You can see it tucked away nicely. And show you how the wide open throttle switch works for us. Here we go. As you can see at wide open throttle, it presses the wide open throttle switch, which would activate it as long as the arming switch is in the on position. As you can see, the arming switch there, tucked away nice. And as you can see, we've got nitrous bottle tucked away nice and tight, positioned correctly, and she's got dope in it, as you can see from the gauge. And we might go for a little spin here. Got to turn the bottle on before we do that. Time to go have some fun.